Delta, Moen, and Kohler make up the majority of kitchen faucets sold in the US, but the differences between their models go well beyond appearance. Spray technology, valve longevity, and installation design vary significantly even within the same brand. Here are 5 of the best options across all 3 brands available right now. 1. Moen Adler. Pull-down kitchen faucet. The Moen Adler is the most consistently recommended entry-level kitchen faucet across independent review platforms in 2026. And the 2 features that earn it that position are both practically verifiable rather than marketing language. The first is Power Clean spray technology. Moen's own testing, confirmed in independent comparisons, places the Power Clean spray output at 50% more force than standard Moen pull-down spray heads at the same flow rate. In practical terms, that additional force is what determines whether a spray head rinses baked-on residue and food debris off dishes and sink surfaces in one pass, or requires repeated passes. For a kitchen faucet used multiple times daily, that performance difference is noticeable over weeks of use. The second is the Duralock Quick Connect installation system. Most kitchen faucet installations require working underneath the sink with a basin wrench in a confined space, a task that takes most homeowners 30 to 60 minutes and requires 2 hands and a fair amount of physical awkwardness. The Duralock system uses a single tool-free push-connect fitting that snaps supply lines into place from above the deck, reducing installation to approximately 10 minutes for most standard sink configuration. As reviewers across multiple platforms cite this as the clearest practical advantage over competing brands at this price point. The Reflex auto-retracting hose system uses a counterweight mechanism inside the faucet body to retract the 68-inch braided pull-down hose smoothly and fully every time. Competing pull-down faucets without a retraction mechanism develop drooping wands within months of regular use. The Reflex system prevents that. The Spot Resist stainless finish uses a surface treatment that actively repels fingerprints and water deposits, reducing the frequency of wiping required to keep the faucet looking clean in a working kitchen environment. Fits 1-hole and 3-hole sinks, ADA compliant, and backed by Moen's limited lifetime warranty. 2. Delta Leland Pull-Down. The Delta Leland is the most mechanically distinctive kitchen faucet in this list, and its standout feature, shield spray technology, is a patented engineering solution to one of the most common kitchen sink frustrations: spray splatter during heavy-duty rinsing. Standard pull-down spray heads produce an open stream or a wide fan spray. Both are effective for general rinsing but generate significant splatter when directed at heavily soiled dishes, pots, or sink surfaces. That splatter deposits food debris and water onto the surrounding counter, the front of the cabinet below, and onto the person using the faucet. In a working kitchen, that splatter is a consistent minor inconvenience that adds up over daily use. Shield spray addresses it directly. The spray head produces a concentrated and high-pressure jet of water enclosed inside a protective sphere of water. The outer water sphere intercepts debris and splatter before it leaves the sink basin, containing the mess in the sink rather than distributing it across the surrounding surface. The result is a cleaning spray that removes stubborn food residue more effectively than a standard blast while producing significantly less surrounding mess. No competing brand in this list offers an equivalent system. The Diamond Seal technology valve is the second key engineering distinction. Delta's ceramic disc valve technology is certified to exceed 500,000 operational cycles, twice the industry standard minimum of 250,000. At 2 uses per day, 500,000 cycles represents approximately 685 years of operation. In practical terms, it means the valve is engineered to a durability standard that significantly exceeds the expected service life of the faucet in any residential setting. Magnetite magnetic docking holds the spray wand securely in the spout when not in use, preventing the wand droop that affects pull-down faucets with standard clip or gravity-based docking over time. Traditional styling suits a wide range of kitchen designs, available in multiple finishes, backed by Delta's lifetime limited warranty. 3. Kohler Simplice Pull-Down. Kohler has been manufacturing plumbing fixtures since 1873, and the Simplice reflects one consistent brand characteristic that distinguishes it from Delta and Moen at this price point: fully metal internal construction with no plastic components in the valve or spray mechanism. Now, most kitchen faucets in this price range use plastic components in the valve body, the spray head housing, or both. Plastic components are lighter and cheaper to manufacture, but they are more susceptible to degradation from hot water cycling, mineral buildup, and mechanical wear over years of daily use. The Kohler Simplice uses a fully metal valve and metal spray head construction throughout, which contributes to the long-term durability that Kohler's warranty claims are built around. The sweep spray function is the feature most frequently cited in independent reviews as the practical standout of this model. Unlike a standard wide spray, which distributes flow evenly across a broad area at moderate pressure, the sweep spray produces a concentrated blade of water at high force across a flat trajectory. That blade geometry is specifically effective for pushing food debris, vegetable scraps, and liquid residue across a flat sink basin surface toward the drain in a single directed pass. Bob Vila confirmed this function as one of the most effective sink cleaning spray modes of any faucet tested in its category. The boost function increases water flow rate temporarily for faster sink filling, a practical feature for a busy kitchen where filling large pots or stock pots is a regular task. Temperature memory returns the handle to the last used temperature position on each use, a small but consistently appreciated feature for households where the same person uses the same temperature daily. The Docnetic magnetic docking system holds the spray wand in position reliably. ProMotion braided hose technology uses a swiveling ball joint that reduces the physical resistance of pulling the wand down and retracting it, extending hose longevity by reducing stress at the connection point. Flow rate is 1.5 gallons per minute, the most water-efficient faucet in this list, backed by Kohler's lifetime limited warranty. 4. Delta Essa pull-down. The Delta Essa is the most design-forward kitchen faucet in this list, and for a kitchen where the faucet is a visible design element rather than a purely functional fixture, the Essa's contemporary silhouette justifies its placement here alongside its practical engineering credential. The spout profile is a clean, uninterrupted arc without the stepped or articulated geometry of more traditional faucet designs. That continuous curve suits modern, minimalist, as in Scandinavian-influenced kitchen designs where visual simplicity is the design intention. It is available in Arctic stainless, matte black, chrome, and champagne bronze, 4 finishes that cover the most common contemporary hardware palettes. Beneath the design, the Essa uses the same core Delta engineering found in the Leland. Diamond seal technology, ceramic disc valve, certified to 500,000 cycles, is standard across this model. Magnetite magnetic docking holds the spray wand securely without clip or gravity dependence, preventing wand droop over time. The Touch Clean rubber spray nozzles are the same mineral-resistant feature found on Delta's premium models, as calcium and limescale deposits that reduce spray pressure in hard water areas are dislodged by rubbing a finger across the nozzle face. No tools or chemical treatments required. 2 spray functions, stream and spray, cover everyday kitchen tasks without an overcomplicated selector. The 360-degree swivel spout accommodates double sinks of any configuration, fits 1-hole and 3-hole sinks with included deck plate. Backed by Delta's lifetime limited warranty. For any homeowner upgrading a kitchen and wanting a faucet whose design holds up alongside updated cabinetry and countertops, the Delta Essa delivers modern styling without compromising the valve quality that determines long-term reliability. 5. Moen Adler standard. Thus, the Moen Adler with side sprayer is the right choice for a specific and common situation, a 4-hole sink configuration in an older kitchen where the homeowner wants a straightforward, reliable replacement without upgrading to a pull-down system. Standard 4-hole sinks have 3 holes for the hot supply, cold supply, and faucet body, and a 4th hole that traditionally accommodates a separate side sprayer. Pull-down faucets do not use that 4th hole, which leaves it uncovered or requiring a separate deck cover plate. This faucet uses all 4 holes as originally intended, with the side sprayer occupying the 4th position and providing flexible directional reach across a double sink basin, useful for rinsing vegetables, filling pots off the burner, or reaching the far basin without moving the main faucet body. As the standard spout height and fixed arc design suits, kitchen configurations where overhead cabinet clearance limits the use of a high arc pull-down model, a practical constraint in older kitchens where cabinet placement was not designed around modern tall spout faucets. The spot-resist stainless finish and Duralock Quick Connect installation system are the same features found on the pull-down Adler model, meaning installation is tool-free and the finish maintains its appearance in a working kitchen environment without constant wiping. Moen's limited lifetime warranty covers this model in full, including replacement parts and valve components. Moen's warranty support is consistently cited by long-term buyers as one of the most responsive in the industry, a practical consideration for a fixture expected to last 10 or more years.